Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in our last video we have gone through the process of how we can aid the counties and cities on the Illinois portal to file our sales tax return properly. Today we are going to file another state sales tax return, but before we move to the portal and see how we can file that return, I would like to request all of you to do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated with the latest tax information relating to US taxation. So that's my report here. Again, the format is pretty same, in fact completely same. I have some dummy data here, and today we're going to file the state of Maine, the quarterly sales tax return for state of Maine. This return is my quarterly return that I do for one of my client. So it's pretty much a straightforward return. You don't need to add the cities and county wise. You just need to add the total sales, the taxable sale and non-taxable sales. The tax rate is 5.5 percentage for Maine State. So let's go on the portal and see how we can file this return. So this is my portal. I will say view and file returns here. Now here, uh, that's my quarterly return. So I'm gonna file where the period is not ended for June, but just to give you a demo I can just say file now. So now you have to select there's these options. Have you gone out of business? So I will select no, and then I'll just click next. So here you're gonna say, do you have any sales to report this period? I would say yes. Do you have any use tax to report this period? So I already told you that use tax is a tax that we've used to pay on purchases. So I will say next. Now here you can add your total gross sales, in my case, which is this one. So I'm gonna add this one here. And now deductions for the exempt sales, so I will add the deductions here. These my total deductions, and this is my total taxable sale. Now here you can see that here you have to select a period, a sales option for the taxable sales. So since my sales are based on 5.5 percentage, so I'm gonna uh, add these taxable sales here, and I will click next again. Nothing to input here. These are all related to the food and medical items. I will click next here. I will click next again. Now here you can see my total taxable sales are this, and my total sales tax is this, and this is what I have on my report. So I'll click next here, and there's no fees, so I will click total due and credit. So now here you're gonna just click next again, and now here you have to select, would you like to make a payment right now? So you need to click yes. Obviously you want to make the payment, and once you click next here, you need to input your payment information, and once you submit your payment information, you will get the option to submit the return, and you are good to go to submit your quarterly return. So this is very straightforward return, very easy return to complete, but make sure that your tax rate is rightly applied here, and make sure your total tax do reconcile with your with the text that you have on your portal. Thank you very much. If you have any questions, if you have any suggestions, if you have any comments, do let me know in the comment box. Thanks very much.